Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about high ticket versus low ticket affiliate marketing. And the question that I have for you that's watching this right now is, which one are you currently doing? Are you doing low ticket affiliate marketing or high ticket affiliate marketing? All right, now with that being said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want more videos just like this one right here. All right, so with that being said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize my camera. All right, so as you can see, we have the calculator here in front of me. So I'm going to give you a little scenario and I'm going to kind of show you the numbers so you can see, you can make an informed decision on which one makes more sense for you, okay? All right, so the scenario starts off like this. So we're going to start with the low ticket. So let's say, for instance, you're selling a product that is $100, okay? Now, across the affiliate marketing industry and most of these networks and companies out there, the average is about 30% is what you're going to make out of that 100 bucks. So that means that you're going to get $30. Now let's say that you have a goal to make $1,000 in a single month. Well, now let's take this data. So that means that $1,000, we're going to divide that by 30 because 30 is what you're going to make from that commission. Now, that brings us 33. Now, that shows us that it's going to take us 34 customers to actually hit that $1,000 a month goal. Now, really, it's going to be 34 because if I'm as good as, if I'm pretty good with math as I think I am, that's about 989, 990, 991, somewhere like that. So you're not even really hitting your $1,000 a month goal. Okay, but it's going to take you about 34 customers. Now, let's look on the flip side is if you're doing like higher ticket affiliate marketing. Now, for higher ticket, that starts at roughly about a $500 mark. So that means that you will be selling a $500 product. So let's say, for instance, you still have the same goal of $1,000 in a single month. That means you only have to sell 2 because 500 times 2 is 1,000. So let's look at the difference so far. You had to sell 30, let's just call it 34. You had to sell 34 of this particular product to make your $1,000 in a single month. Versus the higher ticket at the $500 price point, you only had to sell 2 a month to be able to do that. So if you stay, with the low ticket, then you're going to have to do that every month to hit your $1,000. Now you got to ask yourself, is that worth your time? Because I'm sure, most affiliate marketers, they're using their own mediums, the mediums that they're effective at. So if they're creating multiple blog posts and they're earning the smaller commissions, 30% commissions, versus if they were to just kind of shift the offer a bit, they will make more money and their time would actually be worth it. Because, some people prospect on Facebook. Some people prospect on LinkedIn. Some people do blog posts. Some people do YouTube videos, right? There's multiple mediums out there. And some of those actually take a considerable amount of time. Just from my experience, when I first got started with YouTube, I spent a ton of time. And I take some time now, but it's way faster than when I first got started. But just imagine, like, if somebody was like me when I first got started, where I was taking 2, almost 3 hours to do research and do video, like, you know what I mean? So like me spending all that time and then I was to sell $100 product and I got $30 from that, like I'm still grateful for everything that I make, right? And they may be grateful for it, for that $30, and after receiving it for a few times, but after some time goes by, they're like, man, I'm putting in a lot of work and I'm getting this little 30 bucks, right? That's what happens over time, because that's what happened to me. I was like, yeah, I'm earning these commissions and they feel good. I enjoy seeing the commissions, but I don't feel like I'm really able to scale with this lower ticket, right? And that's when I, invested into more higher ticket things, because I realized I need to be able to, profit a lot more, and that's what the higher ticket affiliate marketing allows you to do. Okay, so far we said it's going to take 34 sales and 2 if I sell a $500 product. Now, let me talk about what some things that it comes down to. So before I was doing higher ticket affiliate marketing, um, I I didn't really have the belief that I could sell something $500 or more. And I'm going to be completely honest with you. If you don't have the belief, like if you don't believe that you can sell something $500 or more, you're not going to sell it. That's just straight up, and that's something that I had to realize, is that what was holding me back was my deservability and my worthiness inside. I didn't believe that I can sell that, and so I like it started to like I realized why I wasn't selling it. I couldn't believe that. I couldn't believe that a person would pay me $500 or a person would pay me $1,000. I didn't have that belief, right? And most people, when they first get started, if they're doing low ticket, they don't have that belief either, and that's why it seems like it's a difficult task. But see, if you partner with mentors, people who can show you how to network with people, right? How to close the deal on the higher ticket, like the higher ticket sales, like how to do that. If you put yourself in a position like that and you make the investment and get around those people and you learn how to do it, then it becomes like if you're selling low ticket. So then it becomes worth it. But what it really comes down to is deservability and worthiness. Do you feel that you can sell $1,000 product? Do you feel that you're worthy of receiving $1,000 or $500 or $2,000 or $3,000? There's some high ticket affiliate marketing out there that's $10,000, $12,000, and even higher than that, right? And so it really just comes down to the belief. How do you believe that you can do it? Okay, so with that being said, hopefully you got something from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It definitely helps the video in the algorithm, and also drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.